Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 87 R10, which would be a C10, two-wheel drive. 77,600, no idea on documentation on mileage. I don't have any. All the gauges appear to work. Air's blowing cold. We did have to put a little Freon in it. Stereo works. Tank switcher works because the one side don't work. So it just works on the left, kills on the right. Windows work. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Wipers. Horn. Power locks work. So I believe everything except for the tank switcher works. Yep, no light works. So you can see the air working. Runs good. 350, factory 350. Most of these are 305s, but this is a 350. Headlights and marker lights. Your tail lights. License plate lights. So everything except for the right hand tank. Any questions? 605-695-7391.